Ditch the data drama and join the Mint Mobile movement. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to a seamless Mint Mobile activation, getting you connected and saving money faster than you can say in limited talk and text. First things first, let's grab your Mint Mobile SIM kit inside. You'll find your SIM card, a SIM ejector tool, that little metal key, and some handy instructions. We're going to bypass the paper instructions today with this video though. Power down your phone completely. This step is crucial. Now, locate your SIM tray, usually on the side of your phone. Use the SIM ejector tool to gently push into the small hole. The tray should pop open, don't force it. Carefully remove your old SIM card and replace it with your new Mint Mobile SIM. Make sure it's seated correctly in the tray. You may see that the SIM cards are different sizes. If that is the case, simply use the punch-out sections of the new SIM card to ensure it is the proper size for your phone. Now pop the SIM tray back into your phone and power it on. Next, you'll need the Mint Mobile app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Mint Mobile app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need your Mint Mobile account number. It came with your SIM kit and the IMEI number of your phone. The app walks you through everything step by step, from creating your account to choosing your plan. Once you've completed the steps, your Mint Mobile service should be activated. You might need to restart your phone one more time. Keep an eye on your signal strength indicator and make a test call to confirm everything is working perfectly. Congratulations! You're now part of the Mint Mobile family. Enjoy your savings and seamless service. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.